Introducing the Norwood LumberMate Pro MX34. Whether you're a commercial sawyer looking to build a business and earn a good income, or a private woodlot owner looking to build your dream projects, the LumberMate Pro's engineered big enough, rugged enough, and productive enough to handle it. The LumberMate handles logs 34 inches in diameter and saws beams and boards a full 28 inches wide. Standard, the LumberMate mills logs 13 feet long. Add extension sections to saw logs of any length, even 50-foot beams for post and beam homes. The LumberMate Pro cuts through hardwood and softwoods alike. Boards come off the mill so smooth, it gives the term rough-sawn lumber a whole new meaning. The LumberMate Pro's log deck is double-layered, galvanized steel with engineered strengthening debossments. These debossments are the multiple concave structures shaped right into each layer. This enables both layers to nest together and gives it greater strength and torsional stability than ordinary box beam type construction. With almost 5 tons loaded across the deck, with center supports removed, the total weight was much more than the biggest log you could ever mill. Even under these extreme conditions, the downward deflection was only 1/4 of an inch. When the logs were removed, the deck returned to normal. Norwood's silicone steel blades cut easily through both soft and hardwoods. Their thin kerf means you can get a maximum of lumber and a minimum of sawdust. The LumberMate enables fast cycle times and is easy to operate. Just lower the saw head, activate the operator's control, and guide the blade through the cut. The patented self-locking saw head does away with time-consuming operator functions. Simply set your depth of cut and mill. The LumberMate's single-action 4-function operator's control simultaneously releases the brake, throttles up the engine, engages the clutch, and turns on the water loop. Releasing the control automatically stops these functions. The LumberMate is so fast, so efficient, it's hard to call it a manual mill. The self-locking blade guide speeds operating times. Simply lift and slide. For international safety compliance, the unused portion of the blade is automatically shielded. Each rotation of the saw head handle enables rapid setting for 1-inch boards. For milling 1-inch boards, there is simply no faster system. To mill other board thicknesses, refer to the quarter scale with built-in kerf allowance. Equip your LumberMate with the optional Quick Indexing Setworks, available for 3/4, 6/4, and 8/4 board thicknesses. The LumberMate's DuraGuide ceramic blade guides give full 3-sided blade support for maximum stability. The DuraGuide system provides extreme long guide life and also increases blade life by 30%. Norwood's custom-molded water reservoir with wide port opening and tethered cap enables easy refilling. Water flow can be set to suit your preference. Water automatically starts flowing to the blade when you activate the operator control. Water flows directly onto the blade at the point of entry into the log. Water flow automatically stops when you release the operator control. The LumberMate is designed to mill boards to within 1 inch of the bed. Mill multiple boards simultaneously to maximize your production of dimensional lumber. 2x4s, 4x4s, 2x6s, 2x10s. You can flat saw, quarter saw, resaw, resize, and to maximize board yield, group flitches of similar size for edging. Mill veneer as thin as 1/16 of an inch or large customized square beams. You can mill exactly what you want when you want.